So, pero siya, yaghambal siya. I'm not young anymore. I'm 17. Diba? I remember when I was 17, I thought I am matured as well. So, I don't know. Have you felt the same way, Kidodong? Feeling mo shitty ka na, may edad ka na, may guot ka na? 17. But 17, honestly, is a very young age. So, Dodong unhitched the Carabao leisurely and gave it a healthy tap on the hip. No? Again, ginpakpak yung hips ang Carabao. The beast turned its head to look at him with dumb, faithful eyes. Ayan. So, gintulok siya sang Carabao kay siguro, amo na guro ang ginpaanad siya ang Carabao nga kung, pakpakunta ka sa hip, tulokon mo ko, kay basi may instruction ko sa imo. Dodong gave it a slight push, gintulod ya, and the animal walked alongside him to its shed. Ayan. So, gintulod ya gali, no? Gusto ya patulod ang gintulod ya ang sapat para maglakat pa kadto sa shed, sa balay isang sapat.